Oh hi, my name's Chris Barsha and here we are looking at our Lotus Forms Designer, and as you can see there's lots of labels and fields here. So what I want to do now is show you how we can link an underlying Xforms instance. This is essentially an XML file or data structure that represents the structure of data for the back-end system. So we take data from the user interface, i.e. the form, and we're going to pump it somewhere eventually. So here we have that instance of that data, and we have a number of elements, and within those elements are child elements. And so what I do is I'm going to pull out our designer palette here, and I'm going to take a table. And so as we drop that table onto our design canvas, as I have a predefined XML data schema here, I'm going to use existing data. And what it's going to do is we're going to pick the particular schema that's associated with this form. In this case it's loan, and there you can see all the child elements. And we're going to take item, which includes product name, quantity, price and total. And using those different columns, we're going to create a table. And as part of that table we can modify it. So here's a little click here for highlight the row when selected. Nice little additional feature there with that table. And hey, listen, the UI control has been automatically generated from fields that have been defined within the XML schema. So what we can do is a little bit of editing there, just pulling the table into the right place. So now we're going to run something called a table row operation editor. This is essentially where we create a formula. So we click on that, and we need to first of all select the target point, i.e. when we've done the calculation, where will the result be set. So in this case the result's going to be set in the total. So we select total, and now we need to select the fields that are involved in the calculation. So total equals quantity, we select the quantity field, and we change the operation, and then we select total equals quantity times, and guess what, that's going to be price. So we finish that. You need to note here that this operation, because it uses XPath in the underlying technology, is significantly simpler than that quantity times price. So we're done.